Welcome to the CSIT Experts online forum. In this video, I will show you how to clone a GitHub repository and how to import it as an Eclipse project, and then how to push the updated codes into the GitHub repository. So in a previous video, I showed you how to create a GitHub repository and on GitHub, and how to clone your project and how to integrate it with an Eclipse project. But in this video is a little bit different. So let us start with the previous project. That on previous project I showed you how to integrate a GitHub project and how to make the push operation, how to integrate it, and how to clone it, integrate it, and push it. So for the sake of learning, let me delete this project. So now see, then I will try to make an error first here. So if I want to delete it, so this project, you see this project is my local Eclipse project, and CSE1321 review is my Eclipse GitHub project. So I want to delete it first from my Eclipse. So if I want to delete it from here, it will not be deleted. So if I want to delete it, then there are two things. So if I select delete, then it will be deleted from the disk, and it cannot be undone. So I want to delete it completely because I want to clone it from here. Then I want to make some changes, and I want to see the effect of the changes. But if I do it right now, it will not be deleted. Can you remember the reason? Let me try. It will not happen. It will not be deleted because at the end it is showing an error, because I have this command from Windows open, and it is inside that that folder. So I can close this. I can close this. Then if I close this, then if I try it, then it will be deleted. Okay, so remember that sometimes if any other window and any other application keeps a folder or file open, then you will not be able to delete it. So okay, so let me make it clear. So now let me quickly clone this project. Click here, and then I will go to cd w, then I type that's by typing w, and then press tab, then it will go outspace, then press enter, then it will come, and then the folder, and then I will put git space clone, then space shift insert, then my project will be cloned. Okay, now if I see what I have cloned over here, so if I go my project, you see that I have also a src folder and class folder. That means I have the entire program code over here. All this entire project has that, or repository has been cloned. Okay, so now I have this time. If I want to import, this one. So this one is a complete Java project, so I want to import. This time I will not create a new project. So I will import, and then existing, it is a Java project. Remember that, not Maven project. So existing in general, and then what I have Java. It's Java EE. So then, or I have general, and then existing project into workspace. Then next, and then browse. I will go to my workspace folder, and I will see this one, and then I will press OK, and then I will finish. Click on finish. As soon as you see this one, so that means this project is not. If it is clickable, then that means this project is importable. Sometimes you will see that you cannot click it. That means this project is already imported. so this is not imported, so then I will be able to finish. As soon as I finish, then you will see here it will come up here, and then within a few seconds it will show me the integration with the GitHub repository. So if I refresh it, or if I click on then okay, now if I open this project, if I expand it, src and then export hello world.java, if I make some changes, welcome to Java programming, hello world, hello, instead of world, let me say hello my world, and then this is my second Java, instead of programs, let me say project. So now save this, and then now go to click on open command prompt, and then go to the folder cd, how to go to cdcse 1321 review. I press enter, and so if I give status command, I will see that I have modified hello world program. So now I have to give the second, what is the second step of push command? Git space add space dot. So then these changes are added. Then if I put status again, then I will see modified. Then I have to give the commit. Third statement, git commit m in double quotation. So hello world program has been updated. Okay. So then once I give hello commit statement, so then if I refresh it, I should see, I'm not seeing the link is, but let me see if I can make any the third and final step of push operation, git push origin master. Okay, so then I am able to make these changes. Okay, so now if I go to the project again, let us see if I go to the project again, and then if I refresh it, you see, so then I have my changes. Hello world program has been updated. Where are these words? Actually, this is the comment. This is the comment I wrote. Okay, so that means my changes are pushed. Okay, so then if I click over here, then I will be able to see what are my changes. So actually you see the green that I added later, and this line, the red line, reddish line was what is previous line, old line, and this is the new one, and this is the old one, and this is the new one. The minor change, this is updated, and this one is added, is new. So now if I want to, for instance, if I want to come back to its original state, that means if I want to do like I want to give my first statement like this, and then this statement like this, so then I can do that. I can do that by doing undo statement or git reset statement. In another previous video I will show you how to do that, but in this video, like you just saw that how to make changes, how to clone a project and how to import it. So when you will import it, when you see that your project is a new project, is a complete project, then you will import it. And then if your project is not a new project, is half done or partial, then you can make a new project with the same name in order to integrate it. Then I have shown there are 4 steps of git push operation. First one is the optional one, git status. Second one git add. Third one git commit, and then fourth one is the git push origin master. This put origin master means I am sending my changes, pushing my changes into origin is the remote project and its master branch. Okay, so quickly we can do this. And so now maybe if I do some other change, for instance this is my third, for instance I want to do another change, third Java project, then I'll save it, and I will do the same thing, status command. Then I will see that I have made some changes, and then if I will add this file, add dot means everything, and then I will do some, just I'm pressing up arrow and down arrow, has been updated. I'm checking something again, enter the second git, okay, second of the four steps has been done. Then third step, then I have to do, last step is, okay, first one was the status, second one add, third one committed. I just committed and I need to push, right? The push I already have, push origin master, git push origin master. Then once I get this, and then see within a few seconds I will see my changes over there. Then if I go to my project and if I refresh it, then you will see that 3 will become 4, because you see my commit version has been updated again. And if I go here, I will see my changes over here. There are my old line and this is my new line. So even you make this change of a single character, then GitHub will track or keep track of your changes. So these are the advantages of using GitHub, and then later we will see how you can go back to one of your previous commits. For instance, if you think that if you see that there are 4 commits over here, so the 4 commits over here, so if you think that, oh, I should go back to my this version was better, there is a change in the recent version, there is an error in the recent version, so definitely you can go back quickly by using some git command. So we will see that in git reset and git revert, using git reset and git revert commands. We will see that later, but in this video that I showed you how to clone a project, how to import it, and how to update the project, and how to make a push command. So this will help you in order to start GitHub operation. So once you create your GitHub operation, please start writing some codes, and then start creating your own project on your GitHub account, and then start pushing your codes into your GitHub account. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our CSIT Expert online channel, YouTube channel. Thank you so much.